Hello everyone and welcome back. So I wanted to add some extra content to this week and I want you guys to watch up until the assignment video and start developing and working on whatever idea you ended up choosing. Once you're done, once you're happy with the progress that you made, you can watch this section, and what I'm going to talk about is an alternative or a setup that I made to illustrate the idea of using, for example, chains that are underneath the ground that gets attached to the spaceship and either rise with it and destroy the ground as they get pulled up, or anything like that. Really, I designed this, or I started thinking about this idea with the crack shot, with the one with the lava. And I wanted to have like a defense mechanism or something that shoots at the spaceship and gets attached to it, and then it gets pulled, and while it's being pulled, the ground gets destroyed underneath it and reveals more of the chain until it hits the end and probably detach or something. And I wanted to show how you could start looking into that idea. The other way we could use this, for example, is with the main ground collapse. So let's say after the ground collapse happens, the spaceship is gonna rise like that, but it won't rise, it won't have any, it will be attached to the chain. So imagine it's already underneath the ground and it has been attached like in a prison or something, and then it's trying to lift off. While it's coming up, we could add chains that are outside of this ring, and as they are underneath the ground, and as they get pulled up by the spaceship, we will see them, for example, destroying one like this, and we would see it get pulled up and then continuously destroy the ground and lift what's around it. And with next week's content, we could take this to the next step and make sure that we have tons of details whenever this is happening. And so that's the idea basically. And I'm gonna show how we could achieve this in Houdini. We're gonna use Vellum for the initial simulation, and then RBD and guided simulation. This will also show better example of how we could use guided simulation in Houdini 18. So let's get started. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in a bit.